Suprabhat बच्चों, नमस्कार. Good morning children. How are you all? Hope you all are fine and good. So from previous session onwards we are seeing the lesson number 4, Nanha Funkar. Today we are going to continue the lesson Nanha Funkar. Before going to start today's session, we will do one quick recap of this lesson. So here one small your age boy, he is a artist, which means he is doing the carving work on the stone, which means he is a sculptor. Okay children, so he took the four corners of the stone, red color stone, and he started doing carving. And before going to start his work, he did some prayer. After that he started his work. So he is having his aim, like as how his father, he's a famous doing carving, so like that also he also want to be. He also want to be like as a father only, like a small very interesting carvings, like as the horses are running and the next to lotuses, you want to carve on the stone like as creepers, leaves, like that his wish. So he took the hammer and the next he took the chisel and he started doing carving. So which one is incomplete? That one is bell. Okay, on that bell some carving is there, that incomplete work is there. He sat and he is completing that thing. So suddenly one person he came and he stood nearby him, and he was not observed that thing, but he is having interest in his work and he is concentrating his work and he is doing. So by seeing, after that he observed, by seeing that appearance of that person, he thought some rich man he came and he stood nearby me, like that he thought. And who are you, like that he was asked. So he is none other than he is emperor king. So that one he don't know. So immediately from far away to the security he came and he said, sorry sir, sorry, because I was not there, so you came on, like that he was asked. At that time he said, just you quiet, like that he did the sign to that security. So immediately he was quiet and he said to that boy, what, you don't want to stand, why you are sat, like that he started shouting, you are a fool, why you are not stood in front of the emperor, like that he said. So before that, this Keshav, that boy name is Keshav. Actually this Keshav's ancestors, they were lived in Gujarat. So because of his father's work he came to the Agra. That Agra fort work is started, so that's why they are started living in Agra. Keshav also, he was born in Agra only. Okay, like nearby Agra, Sikri place is there. He was born there and they are living there. But here fort work is going on, so that's why everyone came and they are staying here. Okay, by seeing that carving work, emperor king, he said, wow, what a beautiful work this is, like that he was appreciated. Okay children, so up to that much we had learnt. Now come, we'll see the continuation of the lesson. अब केशव का माथा ठंका. So when the security he came, a fool, why you had sat, you first you stand, like that he said. No, at the time in Keshav's mind something was yes, somebody, he is a person, like that he thought. उसे कुछ कुछ समझ आ रहा था. At that time he is understanding little bit. Okay, he is some famous person, like that he thought. बदहवासी में छेनी हाथ से छूटकर नीचे गिरी. So at that time he was in hurry, and when he started standing, no, at that time that chisel is there, no, that one, it was fell down. और वह जल्दी से उठकर खड़ा हो गया. So immediately he was stood in front of the emperor king. अरे कहिए, कहीं ये बादशाह अकबर तो नहीं. At the time he said, अरे he is a emperor Akbar, like that he was asked. ये ख्याल आते ही उसने झुककर सलाम किया. So when he got that idea, he is a Emperor Akbar, like that when he got that idea, immediately he bowed his head and he did the wish. और खरगोश की सी कतार नजरों से अकबर को देखने लगा. आफ्टर दैट वेरी पोलाइटली ही स्टूड एंड वेरी कामली ही इज वॉचिंग अकबर. अकबर को पहरेदारी की यह दखलंदाजी भली न लगी. सो when this Akbar, he is communicating with that boy, no, so he is asking about his work, how many years old you are, like that. When he was asked at that time, immediately that security he ran and came, and in the middle, both of the conversation is happening in the middle, he was interrupted, no. So for that Akbar, he was not like that thing. उन्होंने खींचकर पहरेदार को वहां से जाने का इशारा करते हुए कहा, ठीक है सिपाही. सो एट द टाइम ही saw a little bit angrily towards the security and said, okay security, like that the Akbar said. कुछ देर के लिए हमें अकेला छोड़ दो. एट द टाइम ही सेड, यू डू वन थिंग, यू लिव अलोन टू अस, यू कैन गो, यू कैन लिव फ्रॉम हियर, लाइक दैट ही सेड. हु? अकबर. पहरेदार तो चला गया, मगर केशव असमंजस में था कि उसे क्या करना चाहिए. सो एट द टाइम द सिक्योरिटी वॉज लेफ्ट दैट प्लेस, बट दिस केशव ही इज इन confusion what he has to do. What he has to do means whether he has to continue his work or otherwise till the king instruction will come, till the time he has to wait there only, like that he was in confusion. वापस अपना नक्काशी का काम शुरू करे या बादशाह के हुक्म के इंतजार में खड़ा रहे. सो लाइक नाउ आई टोल्ड, नो, सो ही कैन go for his work or otherwise he has to wait for the king's instruction. For that he got the confused. दिल तो उसका अभी भी धक धक कर रहा था. सो इन हिज हार्ट द हार्ट बीटिंग इज वेरी फास्ट. वाई? बिकॉज ही इज इन टेंशन, बिकॉज इन फ्रंट ऑफ हिम दैट एम्परर ही स्टूड देयर. सो ऑब्वियसली वी आर हैविंग लिटिल बिट टेंशन. हाँ, पर अब वह डरा हुआ नहीं था, क्योंकि अकबर प्यार से उसे देखते हुए मुस्कुरा रहे थे. बट आफ्टर सम टाइम he was not afraid by seeing the Akbar. Why? Because that Akbar, he is doing the smile and stand nearby him. So that's why he is not having that fear. Have you all understood, no children? So this is the picture. So when he is doing the carving work on the bell, at the time the emperor Basha, he came here, sorry, the emperor Akbar, he came and stood nearby him. So next, तुम्हारा नाम क्या है? Now Akbar was asked, what is your name? अकबर ने नरम आवाज में पूछा. Now Akbar, he is in polite manner, he was asked, what is your name? Like that he did the smile and he started asking to that Keshav. केशव. उसने नपातोल जवाब दिया. सो एट द टाइम के दिस बॉय दैट 9 or 8 years old boy, he said केशव, like that he gave the answer. केशव, क्या तुम मुझे नक्काशी करना सिखाओगे? एट द टाइम he was asked, the king Akbar, he was asked, केशव, can you teach how to do that carving on the stone? Like that he was asked. उलझन में पड़े केशव ने तुरंत सिर हिला दिया. सो एट द टाइम ही वॉज कन्फ्यूज्ड. ओके, उलझन मीन्स ही वॉज कन्फ्यूज्ड वेदर ही हैज टू से यस और नो. सो इन दैट कन्फ्यूजन ही शुक हिज हेड. तब तो तुम्हें मेरे लिए हथौड़ा और छीनी का भी इंतजाम करना होगा. एट द टाइम ही शुक हिज हेड, नो. सो दैट्स व्हाई यू डू वन थिंग, यू अरेंज फॉर मी हैमर एंड चेजल, लाइक दैट ही सेड. केशव फुर्ती से अपने पिता के पास भागा गया और उनका छेनी हथौड़ा उठाकर उल्टे पांव लौट आया. सो इमीडिएटली दिस केशव, yes, he was asked, I have to teach, like that he thought, and immediately he ran to his father and he took that hammer and chisel and immediately he returned back. दोस्ताना अंदाज में अकबर केशव के पास जमीन पर बैठ गए. सो लाइक एज अ फ्रेंड, like as a Akbar and the Keshav both are like as a friends. So immediately he felt like as a he is a my friend, like that Akbar he thought, and immediately Akbar had sat down there itself on the floor. और पास में पड़े पत्थर को खींचते हुए बोले, ठीक है, अब बताओ कि मुझे क्या करना है. So nearby him one another stone is there, so that one he grabbed and he took and he asked, now you tell me what should I do now, like that. That Emperor Akbar was asked to that Keshav. केशव ने संदेह भरी नजरों से अकबर की ओर देखा. हुजूर, क्या आप यह सब करेंगे? So at that time this Keshav he got a doubt and he was asked, sir, are you want to do this work, like that he was asked. क्यों नहीं, why not, मुझे तो विश्वास है कि मैं सीख ही लूंगा. So I am having confidence I can learn this work, like that the emperor gave the reply to the Keshav. नहीं नहीं, मेरा मतलब ये नहीं था. नो नो, माई मीनिंग इज नॉट दैट वन. केशव सक पका गया. एट द टाइम केशव, व्हाट शुड आई से, whether I have to give the advice or like that, he thought and he said, no no, not like that, like that he gave the reply. दरअसल मैं कहना चाहता था कि आप इतने बड़े बादशाह हैं. एक्चुअली व्हाट आई वांट टू से ना, यू आर अ एम्परर. ये ठीक नहीं लगता. सो दिस वर्क इज नॉट गुड फॉर यू, लाइक दैट ही सेड. केशव सेड. उसने कुछ अनमने भाव से कहा. एट द टाइम ही इज some doubtfully, Anman means some doubtfully, he gave the reply. Keshav gave the reply to the emperor. Akbar हंसकर बोले. At the time Akbar he did the smile and he said, अच्छा, good, लेकिन पिछले हफ्ते तो मैंने मिट्टी से भरी डलियां ढोने में किसी की मदद की थी. So last time in the last week I did the work of the carrying that soil will be there, no, so that one I did that work for helping some servants, like that he said. क्या ये काम उससे भी ज्यादा मुश्किल है? So are you thinking comparing that thing, this one is difficulty, like that the Akbar was asked to that Keshav. केशव अभी भी असमंजस की स्थिति में ही था. सो एट द टाइम स्टिल केशव ही इज इन कंफ्यूज. ही इज गोइंग टू लर्न दिस थिंग, ही इज एम्परर, लाइक दैट सो मेनी डाउट्स ही इज हैविंग इन हिज माइंड. वे अकबर के पास बैठ गया और उन्हें छेनी पकड़ने का सही तरीका सिखाने लगा. सो आफ्टर दैट केशव ही सैट नियर बाय द अकबर एंड हाउ टू catch when the carving is doing, chisel has to keep properly, no, so the technique he started teaching to that Akbar. फिर जैसे कि केशव के पिता ने उसे सिखाया था, उसने कोयले के टुकड़े से पत्थर पर लकीरें खींचकर एक आसान सा नमूना बनाया और गंभीरता से कहा, देखिए, सिर्फ इन्हीं लकीरों को बहुत ध्यान से तराशना है. सो केशव's father, how he taught, which means black coal he took, and the next on the stone he draw some design on that, only he started doing carving, like that same way he started teaching to the Akbar. Okay, Emperor Akbar, how his father taught, like that only he took one koila means that black coal will be there, no, charcoal we are saying, no, so that one he took and he draw some design on that stone, and how his father taught to do the carving, like that he started teaching that thing. अकबर ने पत्थर पर छेनी रखी और जोर से हथौड़े से वार किया. So at the time Akbar, what he did, he kept the chisel and very strongly he started beating with the hammer, जिससे कटाव ज्यादा गहरा हो गया. At the time that cutting will be there, no, that one it gone very depth. अरे अरे, नहीं नहीं, केशव ने तुरंत गलती पकड़ी. सो एट द टाइम इमीडिएटली केशव he caught his mistake. Okay, so no, we should not hammer like that he said. हथौड़े को आहिस्ता से मारना है. That hammer we have to beat very slowly, ऐसे, like that he shown his action and said like this. उसने करके दिखाया. एट द टाइम ही शोन हिज एक्शन. और हाँ, अपनी आंखें थोड़ी मिंच कर रखे, वरना किरचे उड़कर आंखें में चली जाएंगी. सो व्हेन यू आर डूइंग दैट वर्क, एट द टाइम यू डू वन थिंग, little bit close your eyes. Why? Because that small stones, it can come and it can fall in the eyes. So that's why you don't open your eyes very widely, just you little bit close your eyes when you are hammering, like that. Like that he gave the advice to the Akbar. Akbar मुस्कुराए जी हुजूर. At the time Akbar, he said, he gave the smile and said yes sir, like that he said. जवाब में केशव भी मुस्कुरा उठा. So by hearing that answer, Keshav also yes sir, like that he said no. So that one is very big for him, to that Keshav. So Keshav also, he also did the smile. वे लगभग भूल ही गया था कि उसके बगल में बैठा ये व्यक्ति हिंदुस्तान का बादशाह है. एक्चुअली almost he forgot who sat nearby him. He is none other than he is a emperor of India. Okay, like that he forgot that thing. एक अनाड़ी से वयस्क पर अपने काम की धाक जमाने में उसे मजा आ रहा था. So he is a uneducated, anyhow he is teaching to the Emperor Akbar. So that's why he is enjoying a lot at that moment. वे बड़े ध्यान से देख रहा था कि अकबर किस तरह लकीरों को उकेर रहे हैं. So he is completely very concentratedly he is observing that Akbar, when he is doing carving, what are the mistakes he is doing, that one he is observing. बादशाह से जरा सी भी चूक हो जाने पर फौरन उसकी तैयारियां चढ़ जाती. So if he is doing some little bit mistakes also, immediately he is ready to correct that mistakes. काम करते करते अकबर पूछ बैठते केशव सही नहीं है क्या. So Akbar, he is doing carving. At the time he is asking, okay, this one is correct, what I did, that one is correct, like that. That Akbar also, he also started asking like that. और केशव सिर हिलाकर अपनी असहमति जता देता. So at the time Keshav, if it is correct na, yes is correct, like that he shook head. If my mistakes are came na, again he is showing like that. The both are communicating with each other. अकबर इत्मीनान से बैठ गए और केशव को काम करता हुआ देखने लगे. So very observingly Akbar sat there, and the next Keshav, how he is working, that one he is watching that thing. अपने काम में खोए हुए उन दोनों को इस बात का एहसास नहीं हुआ कि आसपास मौजूद दूसरे संगतरश उन्हें बड़े कुतूहल से देख रहे हैं. So both are involved that much in the work. He is also doing carving, and he is that Basha Akbar, he is observing Keshav's work, and Keshav, he is observing Akbar's work, whether he is doing correctly or not, that lines it is, the design it is coming properly or not. So both are observing their works with each other. So they forgot nearby them some other carving people are also there, like that they forgot completely, and they are also very eagerly they are watching that thing. अकबर ने गौर किया कि केशव पत्थर पर बने नमूने को ही नहीं तराश रहा था, बल्कि अपनी तरफ से भी उनमें कुछ जोड़ रहा था. So Akbar, what he observed, not only that lines, what is the design it is there, not only he is carving that thing, so with that he is another design he is creating and he is doing carving. So जिससे वे डिजाइन ज्यादा खूबसूरत लग रहे थे. So with that the design it is looking very beautiful, which means he is adding some other designs also in the design, and he is doing the carving, so it is looking more beautiful. लड़के के काम करने का अंदाज को देखकर अकबर ने धीमी से कहा, केशव देखना, एक दिन तुम बड़े फंकार बनोगे. At the time observing this work, that Emperor Akbar, he is observing that work. So how he is working, that one he observed, and at last this Basha Akbar, he said, Keshav, one day you are going to become a big artist, like that he said. हो सकता है कि एक दिन तुम मेरे कारखाने में काम करो. So maybe it is going to happen, you can work in my karkhana also, which means that a small shops or otherwise that a small industries will be there. No, in that also you can work like that. He said, karkhana, kaisa karkhana? At the time, this Keshav, he was asked. What he was asked? Karkhana. Karkhana, kaisa karkhana? Like that he was asked, which means factory. What kind of factory? Like that he was asked. बस एक बार ये महल तैयार हो जाए और लोग आगरा से आकर यहाँ रहने लगे, तब मैं कारखाने बनवाऊंगा. So at the time he said, Akbar said, yes, कारखाना only. Once this fort it became ready, now after that I am going to open here one small factories. Like that he said. इन कारखानों में मेरी सल्तनत के सबसे बढ़िया फंकार और शिल्पकार काम करेंगे. सो फॉर दिस in my royal court, how many famous artists and the next sculptures will be there? No, they all are work here from here. Like that he said. चित्र बनाने वाला कलाकार, गलीचों के बुनकर, संगतराश, पत्थर और लकड़ी पर नक्काशी करने वाले शिल्पकार सभी वहाँ काम करेंगे. Not only that thing, those who are drawing the pictures, those who are painting, and those who are weaving the work, and the next those who are carving on the stones, carving on the wood. Okay, all the famous persons will work here. Like that he said. केशव का चेहरा चमक उठा. By hearing this thing, Keshav's face it became bright. वह मुस्कुराते हुए बोला, मैं वहां जरूर काम करना चाहूंगा. At the time he did the smile. That Keshav, he did the smile and he said, surely I want to work with you. I want to do the work. Like that he said. So up to this much today we had learned, children. We'll continue the lesson in the next session. Okay, have you all understood the lesson, children? If you are having any doubt, you can ask through comment box. Please do the reading practice of this lesson once. Okay, children. We'll meet in the next session. हम लोग मिलते हैं अगले सेशन में. Thank you all of you. धन्यवाद बच्चों.